In this guide video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you fix iPhone X Bluetooth not working. In order to fix iPhone X Bluetooth not working, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So there are a couple of different ways you could try in order to fix it. So first of all, you could turn your iPhone Bluetooth off and on again and again. Now you have to go to your settings first thing, and on the next field you want to go to Bluetooth. And once you are taken to this section, you want to toggle the button in order to turn it off, and once again turn it on, and that should be able to help you out. And once you've actually done it, so you should be able to fix it. If not, you could actually do it to step number 2. So for that, what you have to do is you could try disconnecting the Bluetooth device from your iPhone. So do the same procedure, go to settings and click on Bluetooth and make sure to disconnect the particular connections or the Bluetooth device that you're connected to, and click on disconnect, and once again reconnect it, and that should be able to help you out. If the issue is still persist on, what you could also do is you could also unpair and repair the Bluetooth device to your iPhone. For that, what you want to do is you simply want to go to the particular Bluetooth device that you're connected to or that you're not able to connect, and click on this I button right next to it. And moving on, you'll be able to see this option that is forget this device. Click that and click on the forget device option once again. And so once again, go ahead and reconnect it and see whether that works or not. If the issue still persists on, then you could try hard reset if the iPhone Bluetooth is still not connecting. So for that, you want to quickly click and release the volume up and down button. And once you've actually done it, so quickly click and release the volume button down button. Click and hold the slide button at the same time, and you could go ahead and swipe, and you could restart or force a restart. That should be able to help you out. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.